Hope Not Hate are intentionally misleading in their attacks against workers of England. Over the next few weeks and months, the Workers of England Union, WEU, will give clear rebuttals and explain why Hope Not Hate intentionally smear us, who they are, and what purpose they truly serve. Point number 1. The Workers of England is not a trade union. The WEU is clearly a certificated independent trade union, compliant with the Certification Officer for Trade Unions, and publishes fully audited accounts. Its finances are transparent and above board. Just go to Certification Office website, official list of trade unions, gov.uk. It is simply factually incorrect and misleading to say that only TUC-affiliated trade unions are genuine. For example, there are around 128 registered trade unions. Of those, 48, or 52 depending on the source, are affiliated with the Trades Union Congress. That means dozens of legitimate trade unions operate outside the TUC. So the claim by Hope Not Hate that non-TUC trade unions are automatically illegitimate is false. The English TUC is a new initiative and will be formally launched in 2026. It is positioned to replicate the model of the Scottish and Welsh TUCs. Its emergence and development are entirely valid within the broader trade union movement, and a TUC for England is urgently needed. Please ask yourself this question. Why aren't Hope Not Hate attacking the Scottish and Welsh TUC? Could it be that Hope Not Hate are just anti-English, far-left communists? Hope Not Hate has made the spurious claims, saying the WEU lacks training expenditure, democratic elections, or meaningful member services are misleading you. Please just go to our website and go through the health and wellness pages and improving working lives pages. Please see for yourself that our focus is on our members. Workers of England representatives are independent of the workplace and deal on a daily basis with disciplinary and grievance hearings across a wide range of industries. Actually, Hope Not Hate's claim is a backhanded compliment, and they are trying to divert focus away from the poor representation that comes from workplace, employee-paid representation used by the British trade unions. The traditional trade union model the WEU pursues emphasises democracy, member autonomy, and independence from the centralised, sometimes complacent structure of the overly large British trade unions. So, why would Hope Not Hate spread misinformation? Because Hope Not Hate have a vested interest and are mercenaries and are accepting money from and doing the bidding of the British trade unions. These trade unions feel threatened by a genuinely independent trade union that challenges the status quo. The British trade unions with overburdened structures see the Workers of England Union as a disruptive model. Alternatively, political agendas tied to the existing trade union network are uncomfortable with independent trade union alternatives. The evidence of transparent auditing and certification undermines the narrative that WEU is illegitimate, so instead the narrative is attacked. The bottom line: membership in the TUC is not a prerequisite for legitimacy. The WEU meets the legal and regulatory standards for a recognised independent trade union. Attacks suggesting otherwise should be called lies, and in this case they are exactly that.